I know what is up, you guys. Welcome back to Everything Empo. You new to the channel? Empo, my dear man. I always forget to say it to the first part. So I'm looking munchkin always a reminder to them if like, dislike, comment in the section, subscribe and do all of them because something there. But for me, it's just really the engagement. So today video, I'm gonna try my best to make it a really quick one. This is Bath and Body Works. I'm finally get my hands on something that I wanted 3 months ago, but when it dropped, as soon as it dropped, it went like this, bam. So new sell out. Miss wait, Lord, then could give the girl a chance. So before I show it, I'm gonna show them always here, and it's a candle holder. Cause I notice if you notice the video, these are candles I always have like for my props candle. I'm not a big fan of candle. It's just the decorating part of it. I love a good wax melt, and I love oil diffusers or just diffusers, humidifier in general. Especially oil diffusers make your apartment smell well good. Whether you want to put a little bit of fragrance oil into it, or if you want to put perfume or body mist, just a little bit in the water and keep the place going. Even before that, I normally put like Fabulous and Metisol in the pot on the water, the stove, and boil that up, and we will put little, depending on the mood, we aim to put probably little Dettol or little softener, anything just to make the place smell real nice. And Bath and Body Works need for start make wax melt or give it a oil diffuser, like they need for really, or put it over what you use, barn on whatever side. They really need to get in that. I've been years, me I say me a dime for them get them to start the wax melt or a humidifier. But you know me, like me say, all of a sudden I start the little back pocket stuff. So you name. So I pick up the 4 latest one, really cutesy, like too cute. Summer, hello, beautiful. Like you know, you look a lemon juice, then look a jar. Well made, you know, up underneath that, so love it. Very bright, vibrant. All of these are what this one, $6.95. Love it. Then this is the the golf cart, right? Some of these still look black. So I said, wait, the blowhorn, and I said no, it's snappier, something. So I guess that's something for do with golfing, like the little stuff then put into the hole on the floor. So the back part there, so you can stuck it. You see? It's stuck it there, so, and this is the opening for that. You don't have to lick it over here. That I got. And then we have the ice cream, right? Very nice. It's the textured, love the texture of it, and that's where you put it in. So you have the cone and the stuff. This is really nice. Probably even better in person. It is not a white. This is not a true white. It's like a off, it's like between a cream and a grayish. It's not really fully white, but it can go on. No, this though, this somebody have my iPad, and as always, I always purchase my stuff online. Probably if I really go in store because I want to get my hands on the icicle pop lip gloss. This, but did I forget this. Some slippers, look at sandals. Look here, too cute. This sell right off, and it's very much upper. You can pull this, the buckle right here. You can literally pull it. I'm gonna do it. Like you can actually pull it and extend. It's actually, isn't it? I should have buy 2, but no, my love, because no man breeding go past me. My breed out, you know, time for me. How much penny want somebody can want to have, so? Eh? I mean, you create the next generation outside there, but nice. Very little silicone. I love it. This is just too stinking cute. So I'm going to move the mirror outside the way I'm going to start off with just a smaller box. As you can see, I'm going to open it up. But I'm going to take up this, and this one I'm picking up for my free gift. For $16, my reward, $16.95. And I was like, you know what? I'm not gonna buy two of the big one, but I'm still gonna buy this because as soon as I see the idea come right in mind, as soon as I see it, you go write this up. Them well bubble wrap you. They must see my name. And say, look, your package is good for her because she always have packaging problem. But this is me show it up close for this is beautiful. I don't even know if it is showing up online the way it is in my hand. Yes, so the inside is actually white. Probably shadow the inside silver too. It doesn't really matter to me, but this in person is beautiful detail. The flowers being even part. Not about to start the finish. The flowers and the stem. This is cute. Love it. Put it in the stuff. But so the bad boy here. So the bad boy here. And funny enough, when they put it up back too, as they put it up back, it sell out again. So this is the box. But you can't see it big. I must say this, I was like, oh my god. And for the unboxing, you have to go make a space for that. So they can literally, you know, they can see me and cut it. I don't know here, I cut the stuff, and they can literally see me and do it as well too. But again, when they're into the candle thing, but this, this well packaged. This, well, no longer a little bit, I'm going to put it back in the box, but if I shake it, see me and shake it out, so the foam and stuff. I don't want to tear. Come on, man, it's a tight virgin, slide out. Woo. So, well packaged. Come on, Bath and Body Works. You better package it right. See it. Ah, you too much. Here it is. Here it is. Oh my god, everything about it is so. The red boots are pretty. Woo. Huh? This is Silly Goose. I think that's what it was branded as, Silly Goose. The fact that the umbrella is where you place the candle. Look at the umbrella. So you know the breeze blow it upside down. I see it here. So my idea was, because I was gonna take two, because you know, like I said, this and this here. But the reason why I took this in place, because it just gives me the idea of the duck going through the garden. And the colors pull from each other, so it will be beside each other like that. Oh gosh, I can't just sit down up top. It won't be this one, you know, you get the idea. Oh god, this is so cute. But enough that's oh, it is so stinking cute. Huh? All that can't sit on your night. Even that sit in it. I'm not gonna let me assemble, so I'll put it right beside it, because she's going through the. It is so cute. I don't understand. It is not too big and it is not too small. It is just absolutely perfect. It is just too cute. And we would go for what? Are they 39? Are they 39, 99, or 35, 95? But like I say, as soon as it drop, it's set out as well. I love things like this. Okay, can you imagine this was a wax melt? Hear me out. You can imagine this was a wax melt? Huh? Can you see the way how she hold the arm? So the wax would have even, the umbrella would have been on her head that much, right? The umbrella, listen to me, the umbrella would have been up more, and then her hat. The hat would have turned upside down to sit the little teacup into it. And so the little wax thing here, and then, oh god. Or even if it's not the one with the little burn with the little tea, then you can plug it in. So you can imagine this part, look black, our umbrella extension, this is where the wire. So this still stiff, but look a wire into it. It go down and it come underneath the bottom. You plug it in, so the heat come from this, and just, oh god, just cute. But you remember long enough, but that's all I got into for today's video. Really wanted this. I'm glad they put it back in stock. and I'll catch you guys into the next one. And as always, thank you for the support. It means the world to me. And have yourself a nice day. Girl, I'm gonna pack it up back nice and cute now in the box. She gonna pack it up back nice and cute and start out somewhere for it. Yeah, love it. Believe me, I love it. But yeah, you. Bye-bye.